Hello everyone, it's 2 years of our anniversary. It's the engagement anniversary. See what my wife is doing. It's 12:15. I was planning something for her and see what she's doing. Excuse me, you've got to wake up tomorrow. What is this? Excuse me, you forgot everything.
Yeah.
Happy anniversary. That's how it is. See, 2 years and see what this is. Guys, look at her. 2 years and she forgot. Okay, bye.
Hey,
Bye. Good night.
I took you to yesterday
Okay,
for the anniversary
yesterday.
dinner.
Today it's 12.
Exotica.
Where is the excitement? Where is the... It's all before marriage only. After marriage it's all gone. What is this?
I took you out for dinner.
Okay, happy anniversary and many more to come. She's only excited about tomorrow's Sangeet. She's performing there, and past 2-3 weeks, 1 week I'm listening to this song and her dance. It's 12 o'clock, she doesn't let me sleep. Morning she does this. When will I sleep? When will I go to gym? When will I do my work? So much of disturbance. Now because we both are fighting, the neighbors will wake up. Okay, good night, bye. Good morning everyone. It's 8:30 in the morning and today is our second anniversary, engagement anniversary. I had some different plans, but my wife's going for her best friend's haldi now in the morning, and evening we've got Sangeet to attend. So I have different plans, but then we'll be doing this today. She's on her leave, but then I have to work today. By the time she attends the haldi function and comes back, I'll try to finish my work. And somebody is getting ready. All set?
All set.
Nice to Finally somebody is ready and going for haldi. Chalo, have fun. Bye. Soumya వచ్చిందా? Soumya. Okay, chalo. Bye. Have fun. She left and I'll start my day. One good thing is when there are some family events or anniversaries, birthdays, I plan my cheat days that day so I can eat well and not spend all my energy in the gym, so I can be active on the other side. So I'll start off with my breakfast and then back to my coding work. So my breakfast is ready. Today it's the fruit breakfast. I've got to start my day with work. Usually we start a day with a call, so we're starting it off right now. They don't have to go and prepare my lunch. Okay, so I've put brown rice for soaking. 30 minutes tarvata we can turn it on. Everyone, it's almost 5 and I'm all done with my work. I don't think I can show my work because it's confidential. I'll get ready now. Before that, my wife is back. Today she's wearing some designer. So she's doing a shoot near the swimming pool and outside garden. I'll go and disturb her. Let's see how it's going. There you go, she's doing some shoot. Swimming pool with no water. But then... Hey, hi. Yeah. Hi. Oh, is it? Oh, okay. Senior, acha. Nice. Do you have permission? Shoot. Carry on. After a lot of thought, should I go with the black blazer and the white shirt or the blue blazer and the black shirt? I thought I'll be a bit more casual. This is very common, so I thought I'll go with the t-shirt and the blue blazer. That's the pick for tonight. Like a river, like a river.
super.
Let's go. This is how we are celebrating the second engagement anniversary, going to her friend Sangeet. Let's go and see how she performs. Good thing of having such events on our anniversaries or birthdays is like you get to celebrate both. This is the bride side. Who's practicing before the event, is it? I am here with the guy of the evening. Nervous?
Yeah.
You won't be at all. Your evening.
Yeah, I guess it's gonna be fine.
If you want something, we can get you.
Yeah, maybe in a while. Maybe after I make an entry.
After your first entry, then we'll help you with
Definitely. Alright, enjoy.
One week of listening to the same song over and over again and having sleepless nights last day before the event. Even I learned the steps. Let's see how the performance is. so I quickly got ready, and today is the wedding day. My wife's already there. I just finished my work and I'm starting now. Let's check how I look. Since it's the wedding, thought of having on a ethnic wear. So this is it. Okay, not bad. To rush quickly because there's going to be a lot of traffic. We're here finally. The wedding.